Designed for lifting and transporting materials such as concrete blocks and natural stones, ensuring a smooth workflow in handling these elements. These products are fitted with durable, high-friction rubber pads that are easily replaceable, protecting load surfaces from potential damage. The adjustable clamp jaws, governed by gravity, improve efficiency by automatically adapting their grip based on the load's weight. Its extensive gripping range broadens applicability across various tasks. The design includes lifting eyes, providing a secure attachment point for crane hooks, and making the lifter compatible with operations involving cranes or forklift booms. Clamp jaws operate with automated efficiency, opening and closing every other lift, simplifying the workflow. Available in various grip ranges and lifting capacities to suit different operational needs.